Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to remove a detachable tow bar on a Westfalia tow bar on a VWT 6.1. However, this video is all about showcasing exactly how the actual neck mechanism works and what you guys need to do to look after your detachable tow bar. It doesn't actually matter that it's on this particular vehicle. This will work for any vehicle and any Westfalia detachable Swan neck. So we're going to head down. I'm going to talk you through what you get. Basically, on here we've got the actual detachable Swan neck from Westfalia. Comes with a little cover. You've also got this little bag here. This little cover, which will showcase in a little bit when the actual neck is off itself. So you've got a couple of key parts, and then the main thing is you've got two keys. They are identical keys. They are only go in one-sided. So basically, on the install, we've installed what's called a dedicated wiring loom as well. So that's a 13-pin socket. On this vehicle, it is a fixed socket, however there are ones that slide up. In essence, basically you've got a little cover which is down here. That in essence pops off. That's to keep the key guard safe. So you've got the key, it only goes in one way. So there's like a little flap on the actual neck itself. So that just pushes in. What you do is you twist the key away from you. Then you've got normally two little stickers on here. So what I generally do is have my thumb on the bottom sticker, then miss one, and then have my other two fingers on the way around. That's basically the easiest way I've found to basically twist the mechanism off. So what you do is you pull out, so there is an arrow directing that anyway, but you pull out and you twist away from you. As long as you can get your hand all the way around, that is how the actual neck comes off. So you've got the mechanism that actually sits into the actual tow bar itself, and then the key is basically locked in there. This actual tow bar is now in the armed position. As you can see, there is a gap between here, and this is now ready to basically go back in. Obviously, when you're not towing, you've got a couple of things you can do. This little housing is basically designed to pop up into there, stop dirt and road grime start going up into there. That's easily just pops in and out. And as we've got here, the neck is ready to go back in. So when we're putting the neck back in, what we do is I'm right-handed, so I put my left hand around the actual ball itself, hand completely flat underneath here. Basically what's going to happen as it goes in, it's kind of got a spring-loaded mechanism that's going to twist back, and so you don't want to be holding that when you put that back in. So hand completely flat underneath, and you line it up with the housing, and off you go. It's spring-loaded, you hear that click, and that is now armed, ready to go back in. Key comes towards you to lock it. Key comes out, and that bar is now nice and solid, locked into that mechanism. The detachable Swan necks have the same towing capacity as the fixed bars. They are just as secure, guys. However, it really makes sense when you've got factory fitted parking sensors, but also just for ease of use and taking your car back to a stock look. So we're going to showcase that again. We've got the key. We're going to put the key in at a slight angle. Again, it only goes in one way. Key away from you. And then the mechanism, what you're going to be doing is left hand here, because obviously the weight of the neck is going to drop out. You pull out and you twist, and as easy as that, it comes out in your hand, ready to go. That can live in the bag or wherever you want. Mechanism just pops in, and nice and easy. So that comes out. Then to put it back in, this is obviously in the armed position. If you find that when you take off the actual neck, this springs back in your hand and you've left with no gap here, what it means that it's not armed, ready to go back in. So what you need to, in essence, try to do is lay it on the floor like this. So if it's in the non-armed position, so you haven't got a gap here, what you do is you lay it on the floor, put your left hand on there, right hand, twist it round, keep twisting it until that actually locks in as a mechanism. So then that's armed, ready to go back in. The only thing you need to do in terms of maintenance of these tow bars is keep this area greased, but also make sure whenever the actual neck is off the vehicle, it's in the armed position, ready to go back in. And that is common on all Swan neck detachable tow bars. That's the common thing that you need to do. Keep it in the armed position when it's off the vehicle, but also have that area greased. So again, just to show you how easy it is, guys, spring loaded, literally as easy as that. And we showcase on any install after we've done it exactly how that works. We let you do it as well with us here, so we can teach you exactly if you haven't done it before. So if you're interested in having an installation done by us, feel free to get in touch. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything in a bit more detail. However, the main thing for you guys is to showcase this in this video exactly how to detach a Westfalia Swan neck tow bar. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.